Hi, this is how our repair scheduling work. Every organization will get unique web address. This is a sample web address that you can try yourself. So let's say if you land on this website, or if you give this address to your customer as in QR code, or you have your own website, and let's say in your website you made a big button, schedule a repair, and behind that button you redirect your customer to this page. Your customer will see the location. This is a test location. Let's say I select one of them. As soon as I select the location, it will load the categories that I have. Then the customer basically can select the category. They can search for it. If you have multiple categories, in this case I have 4 only, I could select one. If I select one, then I have the products, which phone I'm looking for, what do I repair. I could select iPhone in this case, and again all the issues that I have mentioned in my software will show up here. So display is not working, or GPS antenna, headphone jack, whatever I selected, it's all coming up on the side here. And then I'm gonna click on continue. The next step is the customer information. In this case, I'm gonna put the customer information. Note whatever you want. How do you want to be contacted? In this case, I want email. And now I have a choice. Either I can just complete the request, then the store will get the email and customer will get the email saying it that you have sent the request, and store will get the email saying it this customer is interested. Here's the phone number, here's the email address and the name, and they are interested. Or I can simply book an appointment that, I want to go visit the location. So if I book an appointment, it says, when do you want to do that? I'm available on Friday. Okay, on Friday, what time? I can go 12:30. Save an appointment. You are all set. I can even add it to my Google Calendar from here, or make another request. Thanks for watching.